Hi everyone, welcome back to Melo's channel. Today we do have a new toy. I haven't really seen this one in real life. This would be my first time as well. And since there's a birthday boy coming up in a month, I wanted to put this one on the loot box. But I want to see what's inside first and buy another set. And here for one pack, there's one toy inside and it is a DIY, so you do have to build it. And this one is preferably a little bit older boy since it is suggested 6 plus and above. And here let's look another one. But this one would be really a perfect loot bag filler. And here we have a soldier, and as you can see by the team and by the photo of these loot these packs, is that it is the soldier variation. There's a lot of variations of this, but since it's a boy's birthday, I did get the soldiers one. And as you can see, two are seemingly not similar with the photos, but it is what it is. But let's see what other toys are inside, if it will be remaining a soldier team. But this one's definitely not a soldier team. Hopefully we do get a lot more of the soldier ones. So I'll have to really organize these ones. And here we do have the basketball one. Although not a soldier, still good. It is a nice basketball team also. And here we have a duplicate. And for the next pack, we do get another soldier. So far, so good. This pad has 20 packs, so it's really a lot. Like, it depends on how many kids you invited, but definitely really good. And I'll just build one later on. I'll not build the rest. As I have said, this would be a party loot bug filler. For me, I'll just look what's inside everything so that I could arrange them properly later on so that everyone's happy. And here we do have another basketball. And as you have noticed, although it is hard to remove from the pad, fortunately it does not destroy the package at all. And thankfully, the toy itself is on another packaging so that you could see what's inside and put it back. And next one, you do get a another soldier. And for the next pack, we do get a another duplicate. And so far, have you seen a toys like this? Like, or have you opened one yourself? Like, there's a lot of variety for these toys. Like, I know there's other tons of characters. There's like Ninja. That's one of the teams that I wanted to buy, the Ninja team, but it is sold out, unfortunately. Like, there's a lot of varieties for this one. Like, I think they do have one for other animes as well. And we have here like a doctor. Like for sure, definitely this pod did not go with all soldiers team. Like there are workers and there are basketball. Then of course there's our soldiers as well, but not the soldiers that I did expect. Like this one is also a worker. And let's open this one and see what's inside. And we get a soldier. And last 5 packs, and we are done opening all the packs. And let's see what we get. Like for the most part, about 2 to 3 doubles is what I have noticed. And here we have another soldier or worker. I'll see it up close later on. And the next pack, oh, we do get like a marine. And last 2 packs left. And we get another worker. Then the last one. And I'll arrange everything and see how to build this one. And we do get another soldier. Good thing there's a lot of soldiers as well. And here are the 20 packs that we opened so far. And here I have arranged. And here the duplicates are 2 to 3 at most. And here are the soldiers. Like this one is a really good one. And this one as well is like a worker. Then here we have the basketball boys. Like this one is a duplicate, but the third one I thought it was, but it's not. It has a different color. And this one has different color as well. Like there's 4 basketball players. And here we have a soldier, red soldier. And here we have another soldier. And like a lot of soldiers would be really good. Like the kids would really love this one. And here we have another soldier. Like for these toys, like definitely 6 and up. And if it's 6 to 7 years old, definitely the parents would have to help their kids to make this, or at least someone older that can piece this together, since later on you will see my struggle on making these toys, but not so much. It's actually pretty easy to build once you get. And here's the toy that we are gonna build. And all the parts are very little, so it will take no time to build actually. But since it's the first time, like you will I'm getting used to it. And here it is kind of hard to pop the parts on the toy itself, but once you do, it's pretty much attached and it won't go anywhere. And the arms are the easiest ones to put, and the lower body, the hard ones to put is the arms itself. I did cut that part since it will get boring. This one, the lower body is pretty easy, but it does need a little bit of force. And here's the finished toy, and it does move around. Like this would be a pretty much fun to play with. Overall, I'm satisfied. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.